infinite airdrops on Solana blockchain, guys. Yes, you heard that right, and yes, you saw the right thing on the thumbnail itself. So in this video we're going to be talking about something that is pretty much exciting. So welcome back to Crypto Educator. Hit that like bell, subscribe, and let's talk about this very special decentralized exchange that is simply built on top of Solana, guys, which is going to be giving you crazy amount of airdrops if you hold SolapeSwap token, guys. Just check it out right here. These are the airdrops that all these SolapeSwap token hodlers simply got distributed to, guys. Now the thing is that all of these free tokens had the peak all-time evaluation at 25,000 US dollars, right? Now essentially, had you just hold on to all these SolapeSwap tokens for literally the previous 6-7 months, you would have gotten $25,000 worth of airdrop, all of those being evaluated at the all-time high values, guys. Now me personally, I got Woof and I got Fabric, guys. I got distributed with both of these crypto assets, I think it was like 5 to 6 months ago, and it was only because I was holding 100,000 SolapeSwap token on my Phantom wallet. So what you have to do is that you have to simply connect your Web3 wallet on the Solana blockchain on this DEX right here. And if you don't know how to do it, guys, look, this is the wallet that I use on the Solana blockchain. It's called Phantom wallet, and if you don't know how to set it up, I will be leaving the links up top somewhere here where you can simply sort your way out. You can work your way out to just kind of create a wallet and set yourself up just to interact with the Solana blockchain altogether, right? So make sure to check out that video altogether, guys, and let's jump back into this situation right here, which is quite crazy, honestly. Now let's take a look at this example right here. Had you just held on to 100,000 SolapeSwap tokens, you got 125,000 SolapeSwap tokens airdrop to you, right? That had the evaluations at $12,000 at the all-time high. Again, guys, with Woof also, with Kato also, with Liquid also. I mean, with Woof, this is something which I got 500,000 Woof tokens distributed to me, and all of these were evaluated at almost $2,800 when Woof was literally printing in all-time highs altogether, guys. So yes, these things are really happening, and yes, it is legitimate for good, guys. So if you have never interacted with a decentralized exchange on the Solana network altogether, I think you should probably start doing it, guys, because things happen on the Solana blockchain like this and this, guys. This entire blockchain and this entire ecosystem is quite snappy, and essentially the market is simply going sideways. You can simply try to discover all these things which are happening across various L1 blockchains, guys, because Ethereum blockchain is always expensive, right? So you can kind of explore what's happening on Solana blockchain, what's happening on AVAX blockchain as well. But essentially, for me personally, I've been using this blockchain for a long time, guys, a long time, and I still use it every single day. I use the Solana blockchain for lending, borrowing, staking, margin lending, yielding as well. And guess what, guys, options and derivatives are also launching on top of Solana blockchain. So yes, this blockchain is just simply pretty much exciting. Now the thing is that all you have to do is you have to hold 100,000 SolapeSwap tokens. That I think it's going to cost you 500 or something US dollars as the current market value. Now the thing is that if you held SolapeSwap tokens literally from the all-time highs, I mean, essentially, look, guys, the chart is not working, but yeah, I mean, this is quite obnoxiously weird because the thing is that the prices are down more than 90% from the all-time highs. But if you are still surviving in crypto markets and you still are not wrecked or completely thrown out of the market in these situations, these are the perfect areas to simply bag some SolapeSwap tokens for very cheap prices, guys. This is a simple bargain for something that is giving you crazy amount of airdrops in the future. It's just simply crazy, guys. And the thing is that since you will be interacting with the SolapeSwap DEX with your Phantom wallet, with your Solana address, that is something which a lot of people, a lot of developers in the Solana blockchain are also looking forward to, guys. The thing is that all of these NFTs will be airdropped to you if you are simply interacting with the SolapeSwap DEX with your Solana wallet altogether. So yes, the more you interact with the blockchain, the more chances you will have to get all of these airdrops in the coming days and the months altogether, guys. All right, if you found this video helpful, hit that like right here right now, guys. And the thing is that I do cover Solana blockchain extensively, so if you are a fan of Solana network altogether, make sure to share this video as well, guys, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'll be happy to help all of you guys. With that said, I'll catch all of you pretty soon. Bye for now.